Here's how to post Instagram stories from your desktop computer. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, search for Instagram.com, and log into your specific account using the correct credentials. So normally when you click on the create button, you'll get the option of post an AI, but you won't see any option of story. To get the story option, you need to tap on the top right corner of the Chrome, click on the three dots, and then after go to more tools, tap on developer options, and from the dimensions in the top of the screen, select any device according to your preference and select and refresh the page. This will make Instagram appear as if you're viewing it on your phone. Now you'll see the phone version of Instagram, and in the top right corner, click on the plus icon, which is indicating your story in the top left corner of your screen. And then select any photo or video that you want to post in your story. Then tap on add to story from the bottom of the screen. It will say your story was added to Instagram. If it does not, refresh automatically and click on the back button and go to your profile in the bottom right corner to see your newly posted story. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.